Welcome to Nimble Colorido. We are a company specializing in the research and development and manufacturing of digital printing technology. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, we provide customers with innovative digital printing sock solutions. What is digital printing? Digital printing is an advanced process that uses direct jet technology to apply ink directly to fabric. It eliminates the need for plate making and supports custom designs, greatly improving production flexibility and efficiency. The pair of socks I hold in my hands were created using digital printing technology. Look at this pair. They have seams on the sides, and the white spots show when you stretch them. They're stuffy and slippery. They can only be printed on polyester, which is suitable for large quantities, but lacks flexibility. This pair is jacquard. The pattern is simple, but it can do gradient. There are too many threads inside, so it's impossible to make a complex pattern. Look at ours, 360-degree seamless. No matter how you pull it, it won't show any white, and the colors are explosive. Cotton, wool, nylon, any material can be printed. There are no restrictions on the pattern. Our 4-axis sock printer uses rotary printing technology to ensure that the pattern accurately covers every angle of the socks. It can print 60 to 80 pairs of socks per hour, efficiently meeting the needs of personalized customization and mass production. Now, let me demonstrate the process. Simply import your design into the printing software, click print, and the machine will automatically begin printing. Whether it's a photo of a friend, an image of a pet, or a unique design, custom production is easy. From idea to reality, Colorido offers endless possibilities. Contact us to customize your own sock solution.